step into the Hyundai 2018 Elantra SEL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM radio, AM/FM HD SiriusXM MP3 display audio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.